Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Wednesday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I am getting ready to we're going to use some of these 30 millimeter beads. We're going to use these 30 millimeter beads to make a really cool bracelet. So we're going to use these. We're going to use a bunch of the handmade charms we got right here. We're going to also use some of these glass beads that I got from a subscriber. So these I got 6 left out of the bag that I got from her. And then I don't know if I'm going to use some of these or not. I did take them out just to see. I might, and then I might not. And then I am going to use all of these beads right here. So we're going to make a second bracelet. Do I got some more of these? We're going to make a second bracelet using these beads right here. But our first one is going to be with these 30 millimeters. So we are going to go ahead and get started. And I'm using a 1.5 millimeter cord. And I don't think I've ever made a bracelet using 30 millimeter beads before. Hopefully this will. Oh yeah, okay, that'll work. I'm like, okay, I hope this works because I don't like to use the 1 millimeter cord for heavy beads or, you know, like the bigger beads. These wood beads are very light. They're not heavy at all. But by the time you put, you know, everything on, it's not heavy, but it has enough weight on it to where I don't want to use 1 millimeter cord. So these are all hand painted, 30 millimeter. Some beautiful beads though. Like, wow. And then hopefully I can bead all these. And I have enough. And that already looks nice, just like that. Might have to use a couple of different beads. And these are glass beads, these right here. So we got that. And I like the way it all matches so far. Like it matches really well. I don't know if that one is. And then we'll use this one. And I think, yep, that's perfect. Look at that. That's nice. I don't think I've ever used 30 millimeter beads before to make, have I? I don't think that I have to make a bracelet. So we're going to go ahead and tie this nice and snug. I'm going to wrap it a couple of times. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Nice and snug. And then 1. Snug. 2. Oh, let me do one more. And then one more. Snug. And then we'll cut that little extra. A little extra off. Oh yeah, not bad. Huh, not bad at all. 30 millimeter. That's really, really cool. Now, see, I'm going to have to start making some more with the 30 millimeter, Ooh, I almost knocked that over. 30 millimeter, with the 30 millimeter, it looks small, but it's nice. It's not too tight or anything on the wrist. It's just nice and probably could have put, no, it actually fits pretty good. It's nice and snug. It's not too tight or anything. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use these other beads and we're going to make a charm. Put some charms on it. I might even put some on that one too, just to see what it comes out looking like. And I've just about used up all my 1.5 millimeter cord. I'm down to the nitty gritty with this. And I got these from the actual company. Remember when the company sent me all those spools? I think they sent me 3 spools. So when you look at it, you can see, look, it's like right there. I'm almost finished with it. Right up in there. So that's about how much. So it ain't a whole lot left. So I did order some because I'm just about done with that one. And I didn't even open this, but I ordered 3 of them. And hopefully it's the same thickness. Yeah, it is. It's the same thickness, but even with that, you're not getting a whole bunch. Look. And even with that, it's not even full. You can see. Let me see how you can see how that is. It's not even full. They're just robbing us. That's why I don't even be buying the wire and stuff unless it's on sale. I mean, not the wire, but this stuff right here, unless it's on sale. Because there's no way I'm going to be paying them full price. You know, full price for this, and we're getting less. So when they got it on sale at Hobby Lobby or what's that other store I go to, Michael's, I'll get it on sale. I'm not going to probably never buy this regular price because I'm going to pay the sale price. I'm not going to pay you the full price for that because I'm not getting the full, you know, the full spool of the stuff. So, all right, so let's get busy. I'm going to use these. I love these. When I first painted them, I like these. So we're going to use some of these. And we're going to go ahead and use, we're just going to put some charms. We're just going to bead the charms on here. And that's what we're going to do. Put it on. Bead it. And I'm like really looking forward to the rain. It's like I love when it rains. I'm just looking forward to the rainy season here in California. You know, it don't last too long. We get a couple of days here and there, but I do like when we get them. Go ahead and put this big one on here. Throw this one on here. Let's throw another one of these on here. Throw that one on there. Oh, I got one of these little hearts. Put this one on here. Throw this big bead on here. I'm going to put 2 of them on here, right here. Go ahead and put 2 right there. I'm going to put 2 on this side too. Like the more charms on it, the better it looks. Let's put one of these. Let's put a green one. Coconut chip. And then let's put, go ahead and put this bead. And then we'll use a green bead right here. And go ahead and throw this on. And we just throwing charms on here. I'm going to put 2 on this side too. We'll put 2 on this side. And all these are basically, let me see, are beads. Beads that I turned into charms. So these are beads right here. These are all beads. Look, the coconut chip I turned into a bead. This is a bead. This was an actual charm that I bought. This was a bead. So all of these were beads. And this one is an actual button. So I turned a button into a charm. And then we're going to put this one on here, our last one like this. And let's see what we got. Okay. And then we need to put one more. All right, I'm back. I got a phone call. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish this off. And I'm already digging it with all the charms on it. So let's go ahead and tie it. Try not to get the the cord caught up in the charms. So I can see what I'm doing. Hold on a second. Oops, oops. There we go. Alright, so now go ahead and keep it on the outside. 1, 2. Go ahead and tie it again. 1, 2. Pull it nice and snug. 1, 2. And then this one I'm going to do it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'll just do 1. Get the charm over there. And then we'll do it 2 times. And then 1 more time. And then that's that. And then we're going to go ahead and cut it. And we're going to pull that cord, that knot, right there inside, nice and thick. Should go inside of there. All right, there we go. And then this is what this what this bracelet looks like. And I think I'm going to put some charms on this one. So let's do this one. And if you guys haven't noticed or not, I'm loving how the charms are just all over the place like that. I just really like that. Look how cool that looks. Oh my God. I think I am going to put some charms on this one. So we're going to put some charms on this one. And I'm going to put double on here. Go ahead and put that one on. There's something about the charms, just like really make it look like something special. I'm going to try one of these on here too. It's a nice big charm, but let's see. Do I want to use this one? Look. Let's see something. Nice big charm with aluminum wire. So that's one with aluminum wire. And go ahead and put this one on this side. I am definitely going to be making more using the 30mm beads because I really like the way they look. We're going to go ahead and add another charm on here so we can double it. And then let's put another 2. Put this one right here. Make sure we close that nice and together. And let's see what we got. Ooh, we got some juiciness. We got some juiciness. Ooh, look at that. And if your nails are done, which mine are not, can you imagine how cool that would be? And see, I'm going to probably keep this one for myself because I really like it. I'm going to an event in December. It'll be a holiday. It's a holiday party. But anyway, I'm rambling. But this is like really cool. I like this. Man, this is nice, right? Really, really nice. You guys let me know what you think. But anyway, darling, night for Jewelry by BDK. And guess what? We'll talk.